Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Aham and we're going to talk today about a website called Clickworker where you can make real money. We're going to go directly to the Chrome or whatever your browser is, and we type clickworker.com. Press enter and this will lead you into this page. You can check out the website if you want. If you don't know what Clickworker is, it's a place where you can make micro tasks like surveys, maybe recommending websites, and if you're good in English, they're gonna qualify you to make a really high paid tasks. So we click here, Clickworker job area. Alright, if you don't have an account, you should sign up, but if you do, I have one, so I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna show you the basics how you can do it. Click on sign up and you fill all these information in step 1 and step 2. Okay, I'm gonna fill all this and I'll be right back. Alright guys, we are here in step 2. You already need to fill all these information: your birthday, country you live in, your native language. I recommend you to put it English USA because it will qualify to make high paid tasks, as I mentioned. Sorry. Okay, you put the street address here and your zip code and your city, the city you live in, and your phone number. Then you click on these 3 boxes, you check these 3 boxes, then you press on finish and send. After you do that, they're gonna send you an email with a link to activate your account. I already have one, and you should they will send it directly, so you'll be good to start. Okay, you go to the email or Gmail or whatever it is, then you should be able to receive a email like this, and they will give you your ID and your email. Okay, so you click on this link, they will direct you to the page where you can start. Okay, what you can do here is actually fulfill your information like full address, enter your payment and tax details so they can pay you, and fill out your Clickworker profile. You can start the configuration here and you can skip it if you want. You can do it later. I'm gonna do this because I already have an account. Alright guys, here is the tasks you are able to do. I don't have so much tasks because I'm new in this account, but once you get used on it, they will give you, and once they trust you, they will give you more tasks with high paid tasks to do. And here is the UHRS platform. Here is where you make most of your money. Actually, when you click on this, you will see they will give you 60 days to pay you. Like if you do this task now, they will send the money to your PayPal account, but it won't be payable only after 60 days. I know it sucks, but when you go to jobs, oh sorry, where I'm going. Okay, here you should click on this, and here you should take a test so they can see if you are qualified to this platform or no. And this test is about English basic test. They will test your English, how good it is. To pass this test, you should get 80% or higher to pass this test, and I got about 81% or something like that. Yeah, and I did it, and you can too. Alright, and I'm gonna tell you something cool about this website is when you go to this tab, invite a friend to make more money. Alright, and he's telling you, do you have friends? Or alright, what you basically gonna do is you're gonna invite your friends by email or by a link. I recommend a link because it's faster. Okay, when you send this link to someone, your friend for example, and he will log in, he will receive, if he has an active Payoneer or PayPal account. I don't know if there's another payment method, but this is what I have. I have a Payoneer account. Alright, you will receive €5 and he will receive 10.